Ever see a piece of furniture and think, could I make that? You absolutely can. Building something yourself is incredibly rewarding. You don't need a fancy workshop or expensive tools, just a willingness to learn. This simple wooden bench is perfect for beginners. We'll break down every step, no jargon, just clear instructions. Think of it like following a recipe, but you end up with a sturdy bench for your home. Mistakes are part of the process. Imperfections give your project character. We'll guide you from picking out wood to the final coat of paint or stain. Forget past project fails. Today, you're building something useful and strong. You'll learn to measure, cut, join, and finish wood like a pro. Get ready to surprise yourself with what you can do. Let's head to the hardware store and gather our supplies. You've got this. Let's talk tools and materials. No need for a full workshop. For wood, grab one 8-foot 2x4 and one 8-foot 2x8, both in pine. Pine is beginner-friendly, easy to cut, affordable, and forgiving. Ask for straight boards with minimal knots. You'll need a saw, a power drill, tape measure, pencil, and a speed square. Get a box of 2.5-inch wood screws and some wood glue for strong joints. Safety first, wear safety glasses and consider work gloves. For finishing, pick up sandpaper 80 and 120 grit rags and your choice of paint or stain with a brush. That's it. Simple, affordable, and all you need to build your bench. Ready to get started? Let's move on to measuring and cutting. Gather your tools and let's make some sawdust. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth build. Double-check your list before you leave the store. With these basics, you're set for success. Let's get building. Time to turn those boards into bench parts. The golden rule: measure twice, cut once. Start with the 2x4, cut 4 legs, each 16.5 inches long. Use your tape measure and speed square for straight, accurate lines. Mark all 4 legs before cutting. Take your time. Accuracy now means fewer headaches later. Cut each leg using a hand or power saw. Next, grab the 2x8 for the seat measure and cut a 48-inch piece. Now you have 4 legs and 1 seat board. Double-check your pieces for correct lengths. You've just completed a crucial step. Great job. Lay out your parts and admire your progress. Ready for assembly? Let's move on. Remember, careful measuring saves time and materials. Keep your workspace organized for safety. With your parts ready, you're halfway to a finished bench. Let's build the legs. Let's assemble the legs. Each set forms an H shape. Cut 2 stretchers from leftover 2x4, each 9.5 inches long. Lay 2 legs flat, parallel, and place a stretcher between them, 4 inches from the bottom. Drill pilot holes to prevent splitting. Then attach with wood glue and 2 screws per side. Wipe away excess glue. Repeat for the second leg assembly. You now have 2 sturdy H-shaped leg frames. Take a moment to check for squareness. These will be the foundation of your bench. Simple, strong, and ready for the next step. Keep your screws straight and snug, but don't over-tighten. Building solid legs is key to a stable bench. Let's connect them. Time to join the 2 leg assemblies with a long stretcher. Cut a 35-inch piece from your 2x4 scraps. Stand the leg assemblies upright, 35 inches apart, and fit the stretcher between them, resting on the lower stretchers. Drill pilot holes, apply glue, and screw the stretcher in place on both sides. This ties the frame together and adds stability. Check that everything is square and aligned. Tighten the screws, but don't over-tighten. Your bench base should now be strong and wobble-free. Give it a gentle shake to test stability. If it's solid, you're ready for the next step. The hardest part is done. Take pride in your progress. Let's add the seat supports. For the seat supports, cut 2 pieces of 2x4, each 12.5 inches long. Place 1 support on top of each leg assembly, centered with a slight overhang front and back. Drill 2 pilot holes through each support into the legs below. Remove, apply glue, then screw the supports down firmly. Repeat for both sides. These supports create a flat platform for the seat and add strength. Check for level and alignment. Your bench base is now complete and rock solid. Give it a quick shake. No wobble means you're ready for the seat. Simple steps, big results. Let's attach the seat board. Place your 48-inch seat board on top of the base, centering it with equal overhang on both ends. Adjust front to back so the seat is centered over the supports. Clamp the seat in place if possible. From underneath, drill 2 pilot holes through each support into the seat, 4 per side. Be careful not to drill through the top. Use tape on your drill bit to mark depth. Drive screws up into the seat to secure it. Flip the bench over and check your work. The bench is now fully assembled. Take a moment to admire your handiwork. Next up, sanding for a smooth finish. Sanding transforms your bench from rough to refined. Start with 80 grit sandpaper to smooth surfaces, remove glue, and round sharp edges. Focus on corners and edges for comfort and safety. Switch to 120 grit for a silky finish. Always sand with the grain to avoid scratches. Take your time. Good sanding makes a huge difference. Wipe away all dust with a vacuum and a tack cloth or damp rag. A clean surface is essential for a great finish. Your bench is now ready for paint or stain. Let's make it your own. Now for the fun part, finishing your bench. Choose paint for bold color or stain to highlight the wood grain. For paint, start with primer, then apply 2 coats of your chosen color, letting each dry fully. For stain, wipe it on with a rag or brush, let it soak, then wipe off excess. The longer the stain sits, the deeper the color. Once dry, protect your bench with a clear top coat like polyurethane. This final step guards against moisture and wear. Let everything dry completely before using your bench. Step back and admire your work. You built this from scratch. You've learned measuring, cutting, assembly, and finishing. This is just the beginning. Imagine what you'll build next. A table, a bookshelf. The possibilities are endless. Welcome to Woodworking. Share your project and inspire others. Enjoy your new bench. You earned it.